How you doing there? My name's Mel Bernstein. I'm the Dragon Man. And a lot of people don't know it, but I've been doing motorcycle machine work for over 45 years. These are the fixtures I made to do dual spark plugs. I could put dual spark plugs in every Harley Davidson head. This is a shovel head. 1966 all the way up to the Evolution. They made these, 1984. And these are my jigs for dual spark plugs. This is a Miller machine. And I'm going to tighten up the bolt here. This Miller machine, Bridgeport, is set up with 3 different fixtures to put dual spark plugs in every Harley Davidson head. Okay, let me just tighten this up. And after I show you guys how to do this, you could try it home if you have a Miller machine and make the right fixture. Okay, we got to find the center of the head here, which is pretty simple. So all we're going to do is locate off of that middle stud there, right there. I just found the center. So we take this piece out, move it over a little bit. Okay, we're going to change the fixture. These are quick change attachments. See that? 1, 2, 3, it's out. Okay, we're going to put the 3-flute end mill in here. Tighten that up. Get the end mill started. We go approximately a ½ inch down. See, right there, that's perfect. Okay, now we lock the table, and we're going to go straight down 2½ inches. It's aluminum, it cuts pretty easy. Put some cutting oil on it, and we're going to go down about 2½ inches. Through the fins. Let's see, Melissa, maybe you want to come around the other side, you can see better. See, there's a ruler over here, it shows how deep I'm going. Always got to keep the end mills lubricated. See, I can't see the bottom now, so we have to take the air hose and spray it. Okay, now we're going to put the drill bit chuck in there, the ½ inch drill bit chuck. See, we go all the way down until there's a flat surface on the inside of the head. That is a 9/16 drill I'm using. Okay, we're going to lower the table. We're going right through into the combustion chamber. Okay, we got the hole drilled. It's going to use a 3/4 reach Champion N12Y 9/16 14mm spark plug. Okay, this is the tap, 14mm. We make sure it's lubricated. We get the aluminum filings out of the way by blowing it away. Okay, and we put it low and nice and easy. Now this is real critical. You have to keep steady pressure on the handle. If you don't, the end mill, the tap is going to strip the aluminum. Okay, watch. Nice and careful. See that? Now opposite, a little pressure on the handle and then back. How's that, folks? We just put dual spark plugs in a shovel head in less than, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. That's Dragon Man for you.